you go. Get down.
When your workout buddy thinks cheering you on is a full-time job. Hey everyone, today, watch these canine dogs forget they're supposed to be tough. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enjoy the laughs. Let's get started.
Max, this is Ducky. Ducky, this is Max. Y'all could be friends.
Waiting to finally get what you've been hoping for. What does it feel like? A 4-month-old German Shepherd never expected to meet his new friend while on duty.
Oh!
Who says canines only know how to catch criminals? Sometimes this is what real life is like.
Andreas. Hi, buddy. Ooh, you look snazzy. Ah! He said,
When canine dogs do the housework, the janitors are out of a job because there's no stage left for them. Even after extensive training, he still couldn't keep his composure when standing in front of the reporters.
Proszę powiedzieć, czy takie psy znajdują też dopalacze?
Jeżeli są to...
No está. Se ahoga. Se ahoga, Tirso. ¡Ay, ay, ay, ay! ¡Ay, para verse matar!
It looks like this guy needs a little more practice before heading back out on his next rescue mission.
Mom, it's so hot. I don't leave dogs in hot cars. Mom, I'm gonna die. The sun. Mom.
Buddy,
What?
I'm here too. The AC's on.
I almost overreacted a little bit.
No matter how tough you are, you can't help but melt when you're around someone this cute.
Your lipstick's out there, Charlie.
Yeah, my dog.
Official police business has been rescheduled. Now it's playtime. Who says police dogs always have to be serious? Sometimes they need to let loose and have a little fun too.
そんな思いを込めて歌わせていただきます。
Come on, let's watch this mischievous officer turn into a total clown. He's pretty confident in his ability to escape. Don't worry, he'll be fine. He'll get right back to work after his little run.
Yes.
Good job, Tash. You did good. You did good.
Don't worry, he'll be fine. He'll get right back to work after his little run.
Ready?
Why's your paw like that? Oh, it's stuck.
I'm sorry.
He found something.
If only we all enjoyed going to work this much.
Who says K9 police dogs have to be serious all the time? They can be pretty hilarious too.
Fight! Ah! Get that thing off of me! Ah! Ah! Get that thing off of me! Fight! Fight!
And then there's this guy.
He's absolutely thrilled and excited because it's his first time seeing snow.
Hey, let's go.
Oh! I'm sorry. Betty, come in. Hey, here.
Oh my God.
Sorry about that.
Wait. 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 Yes! Good man.
Do you need some assistance? Do you need oh! Do you need help? Do you need help?
The dog be like, "Give me the toy. I promise I'll complete the mission."
Hey, yo, look at this. Oh.
Có chèo mẹ con. Dạ, ột bên đây nó. Có chèo là nó.
He's new on the job, so he's still a little shy. Please be patient with him. He's so cool. It's no wonder he gets so much attention and has people chasing after him.
You tell that other one just to pipe down. You tell her to pipe down. Blah, blah, blah.
Such a sweet boy.
Oh.
Los.
What are you doing? Read.
Even though they were only apart for a few minutes, their reunion felt like they hadn't seen each other in ages.
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
Who is it?
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
Wake up.
I owed him.
His main mission is to spread love with his adorable little paws.
This occurred to me that I might be a bit much. Like, I think maybe if I met myself, if I met me, I think I might be like, yeah, he was nice, but he's a bit much.
This good girl just gave the sweetest welcome ever.
Dad, that ice cream truck definitely has drugs. And possibly pup cups. But definitely drugs.
Are you just the cutest little police pup in our break room in the world? Yes, good girl. Yeah, I love you.
Just by looking, you can already tell who he loves the most. Hurry up, buddy. You're going to be late for work.
ว่าแล้วมันจะนำหาถ่ายกูจนได้กูไปรี่นอนอยู่ใส่มันก็นำหาถ่ายกูจริงมึงดุยังไงกูละไม่เป็นตาอยู่อ้นอัวจริงๆทำอะไร
He'll definitely win the Employee of the Year award.
Hugo, can I see your stick? Can I see it? Can I see? Wow! Oh my God! a minute, you picked it up. It's so nice. Wow, it's nice.
I owed him up.
Yeah. Yeah.
He got so comfortable that staying professional was impossible. He instantly switched to pet mode.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
That's your leg. Are you struggling to be normal today?
Sometimes, even a police dog wants to call the police.
I owed him up.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Girl, that's quite an entrance.
Betty, come in. Hey, here.
Oh my God.
Sorry about that.
That was awesome.
Wow, this K9 was on a top secret mission until it discovered the world's softest rug.
I owed him up.
Playing with a police dog is a challenge in every sense of the word. Every hardworking officer deserves a little nap, especially one this cute.
I owed him up.
Just like lift that glass. Need you to grab something for me. Attack! Attack!
Whoa! No! Kill him!
Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Don't tear his ACL!
Warwick County Sheriff's Office is currently looking for new help. Take your application today at the Warwick County Sheriff's Office.
His resume says good boy, but his ball obsession might need some explaining.
Lie in.
The moment a police dog thinks he sees a tennis ball, the mission is officially on hold.
胳膊，好可爱呀！
We found something.
One dog chases criminals, the other chases snacks and belly rubs.
I got one. Cat 4 days.
Cut your hand.
Oh, I know.
Why did you not find out? What is your deal?
Oh. 我绳子里面，我绳子全死钉死了，那一直。
The dog came up with a very clever way to remind everyone that it was lunchtime.
这都是这个。
要不，这本人来点咸的。
Trying to enjoy a peaceful meal with this little companion around. Mission impossible.
That's about as good as I'm gonna get. Free dogs. Come on. Let's go.
Good dog, Yari.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Good dog. Good dog.
Come on, buddy. Come on, Yari. Come here, buddy. Yep. Free dog.
Oh, there you go, Rich.
He's not over it.
Come on, buddy.
Not even the sedatives could stop this dog from staying on duty.
Y eso fue muy importante, que estuviera Cernac aquí en el terminal, porque ellos también dieron la instrucción de que si uno...
He's not just great at his job, he's pretty amazing around the house, too.
It's over, y'all. They trying to deport Coco because he part German Shepherd. Why ice gotta be so cold, gang?
It's not hard to tell who's the real professional here.
Down. Sit. Down. Sit. Down. Sit. Down. Sit. Good boy, buddy.
Who said he was sleeping? He was just protecting everyone with his eyes half closed. You don't even have to ask who its best friend is. When your K9 officer forgets the mission after getting one head scratch.
Ouchies! Ouchies! Owie! Oh no! Georgie! Winston! Dinosaur! Dinosaur!
Where's that thing go? Hey!
That face when your K9 forgets why it crawled in there.
Hello. Yo, hey. There you go, boy. Oh, wanna give me a hug? Hi, baby. There you go, boy. Oh, good boy. Wanna give me a hug?
It's all still wet.
Just had a drink of water.
A little wet? Yes, it was water. What's up, girl? You got so big. Hey, heel.
When your K9 partner forgets who's supposed to be leading the operation.
POV. You're spending the night in the airport and see the police dogs having a break from the service.
Oh，看到你小的了。我下了班，然后还在打小一下。
好困。
Accidentally fell asleep instead.
It's a water bottle.
He didn't come for the game. He came to make sure everyone follows the rules.
Bane, what have you done? How in the world did you even do that? Okay, chill. That took some talent.
He finally figured out where his favorite toy was hiding.
Good boy.
有种幸福叫地久天长。草原最美的花，火红了萨日朗，火一样热烈，火一样奔放。痴情的人儿啊，心上有了他，有种幸福。
These dogs were so excited to reunite with their teammate that their owners had to step in to separate them.
No, la policía no, porco Dios.
Look who's running a pre-flight belly rub check.
ฟังหายแย่แล้วฟังไปไหนโซดาแม่ไม่รู้เอาฟังไปไหนฟังไปไหนฟังไปไหนอ่ะฟังไปไหนจ้าจ้าอยู่นี่ไงเจ๊โอ้ย
No need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that, run that, that's how we're from. Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down.
When your K9 partner decides the pavement is more comfortable than catching bad guys.
For this song, I have you in mind, so it won't.
Chợ anh ơi. Điềm là con như vậy là điềm rồi.
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog. Get my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog. Get my happy guy.